We all know how popular smoothies are these days. They're quick, easy, and you can pack them full of healthy ingredients. But let's be honest, some smoothie recipes are, well, a little boring. They lack that certain something that makes you crave them day after day. That's where this recipe comes in. Get ready to discover the ultimate avocado banana lemon chia smoothie. This isn't just another smoothie recipe. This is a symphony of flavors and a powerhouse of nutrients, all blended into a delicious drink. Forget those bland, boring smoothies of the past. This recipe is about to rock your world. Get ready for a taste sensation that will have you feeling energized and revitalized. This isn't just a drink, it's a lifestyle change, disguised as a delicious treat. So, are you ready to embark on a flavor-packed adventure that will transform your health? Buckle up, because things are about to get deliciously interesting. This smoothie is unlike any other, thanks to its unique blend of ingredients. We're talking about the creamy goodness of avocado, the natural sweetness of banana, the zesty tang of lemon, and the incredible health benefits of chia seeds. Each ingredient plays a crucial role, not just in terms of flavor, but also in creating a drink that's bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Avocado, often hailed as a superfood, provides healthy fats that keep you feeling full and satisfied. Bananas offer natural sweetness and a boost of energy-giving potassium. Lemon, with its refreshing tang, is a natural detoxifier, aiding digestion and boosting your immune system. And then we have chia seeds, tiny nutritional powerhouses packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Together, these ingredients create a symphony of flavors and health benefits that work in perfect harmony. This isn't just about masking the taste of healthy ingredients. It's about celebrating them in a way that's both enjoyable and good for you. So get ready to experience a flavor combination that's as delicious as it is nutritious. Now you might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but I don't have time for complicated recipes. Trust me, I get it. That's the beauty of this smoothie. It's incredibly easy to make. Just toss all the ingredients into a blender, whiz it up, and voila! You have a delicious and nutritious meal or snack in minutes. But this smoothie is much more than just a convenient meal replacement. It's a step towards a healthier and happier you. Imagine starting your day with a burst of energy and feeling great from the inside out. Imagine having more energy throughout the day to do the things you love. That's the power of this smoothie. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your diet that can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. And the best part? It doesn't feel like a chore. It's a delicious and enjoyable way to nourish your body from the inside out. So why wait? Let's embark on this journey together and discover the transformative power of the ultimate avocado banana lemon chia smoothie. Let's talk about avocados, the stars of our smoothie show. I know what you might be thinking, avocado in a smoothie, isn't that a bit much? Trust me on this one. Avocados are not just for guacamole and toast anymore. They bring a creamy, luxurious texture to our smoothie, making it feel extra special and indulgent. Many people shy away from avocados because of their fat content. But let's bust that myth right away. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, the kind your body loves and needs to thrive. These good fats are essential for a healthy heart, glowing skin, and overall well-being. So don't be afraid to embrace the avocado. It's a nutritional powerhouse disguised as a delicious fruit. Yes, fruit. And it's about to take your smoothie game to a whole new level. Get ready for a taste and texture sensation that will have you hooked from the first sip. A nutritional powerhouse in disguise. Avocados are like nature's little treasure chests, bursting with essential vitamins and minerals. We're talking about a potent dose of vitamins C, E, K, and B6, along with folate, potassium, and magnesium. That's a whole lot of goodness packed into one creamy fruit. These vitamins and minerals work together to support your health in countless ways. Vitamin C boosts your immune system, keeping those pesky colds at bay. Vitamin E contributes to healthy skin and hair. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, and folate is crucial for cell growth and repair. And let's not forget about the fiber. Avocados are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevents constipation, and keeps you feeling full and satisfied after your meals. Good fats, great benefits. Now, let's dive deeper into the wonderful world of good fats found in avocados. These are primarily monounsaturated fats, similar to those found in olive oil, known for their heart-healthy benefits. Monounsaturated fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels, LDL, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL. This balance is crucial in reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. They also play a role in regulating blood sugar levels, which is especially important for managing conditions like type 2 diabetes. But the benefits of these good fats go beyond heart health. They are also essential for brain function, nutrient absorption, and even hormone production. So by incorporating avocados into your diet, you're not just doing your heart a favor, you're giving your entire body a nutritional boost. Fueling your body naturally. One of the most remarkable things about avocados is their ability to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. This is due to their unique combination of healthy fats and fiber. While fiber adds bulk to your diet and aids digestion, healthy fats slow down the digestion process. This dynamic duo works wonders in curbing those pesky cravings and preventing overeating. By keeping you feeling satiated, avocados can be your secret weapon in managing your weight and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Moreover, the healthy fats in avocados provide a sustained release of energy, keeping you fueled throughout the day. Unlike the quick sugar rush and subsequent crash from processed foods, avocados offer a steady stream of energy that supports an active lifestyle. So, next time you're looking for a healthy and satisfying snack or meal replacement, reach for an avocado. Your body will thank you. Now, let's talk about the superstar of natural sweetness in our smoothie, the humble banana. I know some of you might be raising an eyebrow thinking, bananas? Aren't they loaded with sugar? While it's true that bananas contain natural sugars, they are far from the villains they are sometimes made out to be. In fact, they are nutritional powerhouses that offer a myriad of health benefits. Unlike refined sugars found in processed foods, the sugars in bananas come packaged with fiber, which slows down their absorption into the bloodstream. This means you get a sustained release of energy without the dreaded sugar rush and crash. Moreover, bananas are naturally sweet, which means they can satisfy your sweet tooth without the need for added sugars. This makes them a fantastic addition to smoothies, as they provide a delicious sweetness while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. One of the most notable nutrients found in bananas is potassium. Potassium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy blood pressure. It acts as a natural counterbalance to sodium, helping to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. But that's not all. Potassium is also crucial for proper muscle function, including the most important muscle in our body, the heart. It helps regulate heartbeat, preventing irregular heart rhythms, and promoting cardiovascular health. So, by enjoying a banana in your smoothie, you are not just indulging in its creamy texture and natural sweetness, you are also giving your heart and muscles the potassium boost they need to function at their best. Believe it or not, bananas are also good for your gut. They contain a type of fiber called prebiotics, which act as food for the beneficial bacteria residing in your intestines. These friendly bacteria, also known as probiotics, play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Prebiotics, like those found in bananas, help nourish and stimulate the growth of these good bacteria. A thriving gut microbiome, in turn, supports optimal digestion, nutrient absorption, and even boosts your immune system. So, by incorporating bananas into your diet, you are not just satisfying your taste buds, you are also fueling the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut, leading to a happier and healthier digestive system. Nature's very own energy bar. Bananas are often touted as the perfect pre-workout snack, and for good reason. Their natural sugars, combined with their fiber content, provide a sustained release of energy, making them an ideal fuel for physical activity. The potassium in bananas also comes into play here, helping to prevent muscle cramps and fatigue during exercise. So, whether you are hitting the gym, going for a run, or simply need a pick-me-up during the day, a banana can provide the natural energy boost you need to power through. And what better way to enjoy this natural energy bar than blend it into a delicious and refreshing smoothie? The combination of avocado, banana, lemon, and chia seeds in our ultimate smoothie creates a symphony of flavors and nutrients that will fuel your body and mind naturally. The zest for life. And now, for the ingredient that adds a burst of sunshine to our smoothie, the mighty lemon. Don't let its small size fool you. This citrus powerhouse is packed with flavor and a tangy twist that awakens the taste buds. But lemon's magic goes far beyond its zesty flavor. It's a natural detoxifier, a champion of digestion, and a secret weapon for glowing skin. Imagine taking a sip of our smoothie and feeling a refreshing wave of energy wash over you. That's the lemon working its magic. Its bright citrusy flavor cuts through the richness of the avocado and banana, creating a harmonious balance that's both invigorating and satisfying. But the real beauty of lemon lies in its ability to cleanse and revitalize from within. It's like a mini spa day for your insides. So get ready to pucker up and embrace the tangy goodness of lemon. Your body will thank you for it. Vitamin C Superstar. Lemons are bursting with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that plays a vital role in supporting a healthy immune system. Think of vitamin C as your body's personal bodyguard, fighting off harmful free radicals that can damage cells and lead to various health problems. But that's not all. Vitamin C is also essential for collagen production, a protein that keeps our skin firm, elastic, and youthful looking. It also aids in wound healing and helps the body absorb iron more efficiently. So by adding a squeeze of lemon to your smoothie, you're not just adding a burst of flavor, you're also giving your body a powerful dose of vitamin C to support overall health and vitality. Remember, a daily dose of vitamin C is like giving your body a shield of protection against the stresses of everyday life. A digestive powerhouse. Lemons are a digestive superhero in disguise. They contain citric acid, which stimulates the production of digestive juices in the stomach, aiding in the breakdown of food and promoting efficient digestion. This can be particularly helpful for individuals who experience indigestion or bloating. Furthermore, lemons have a mild diuretic effect, meaning they can help flush out toxins and excess water weight. This natural detoxifying property can contribute to a feeling of lightness and increased energy levels. And let's not forget about the fiber. While lemons themselves aren't high in fiber, their ability to promote healthy digestion indirectly supports regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. So adding a squeeze of lemon to your smoothie is like giving your digestive system a mini tune-up, helping it function at its best. Hydration hero. We all know how important staying hydrated is for our health, but did you know that lemons can actually enhance hydration? That's because they are a good source of electrolytes, such as potassium and magnesium, which are lost through sweat, especially during exercise or hot weather. Electrolytes help maintain fluid balance in the body, ensuring that our cells function properly. By replenishing electrolytes, lemon can help prevent dehydration and its associated symptoms, such as fatigue, muscle cramps, and headaches. So, next time you're reaching for a refreshing drink, consider adding a squeeze of lemon to your water, or, even better, blending it into our ultimate smoothie. It's a delicious and healthy way to stay hydrated, revitalized, and energized throughout the day. Plus, the added vitamins and antioxidants are an added bonus for overall well-being. Tiny seeds, mighty benefits. Now let's talk about the secret weapon in our smoothie, the ingredient that takes it from delicious to downright incredible: chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses may seem unassuming at first glance, but don't let their size fool you. Chia seeds are nutritional giants, packed with an impressive array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Dating back to the ancient Aztec and Mayan civilizations, chia seeds were revered for their energy-boosting and health-promoting properties. In fact, chia is the ancient Mayan word for strength. Today, these tiny seeds are experiencing a well-deserved resurgence in popularity as people rediscover their incredible health benefits. So, what makes chia seeds so special? Well, for starters, they are a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need but cannot produce on their own. They are also an excellent source of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and various minerals, making them a true nutritional powerhouse. Fiber powerhouse for weight management. One of the most remarkable things about chia seeds is their incredible fiber content. Just 1 ounce, about 2 tablespoons, of these tiny seeds packs a whopping 11 grams of fiber, which is almost half of the recommended daily intake for adults. But what does fiber actually do for us? Well, for starters, it acts like a sponge in our digestive system, absorbing water and adding bulk to our stools, which helps keep things moving smoothly and prevents constipation. But the benefits of fiber go far beyond regularity. When chia seeds come into contact with liquid, they form a gel-like substance. This gel expands in our stomachs, creating a feeling of fullness and satiety, which can help prevent overeating and support weight loss efforts. By keeping you feeling fuller for longer, chia seeds can help curb those pesky cravings and make it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. Omega-3s for a healthy heart and mind. We often hear about the importance of omega-3 fatty acids for our health, and for good reason. These essential fats play a vital role in maintaining heart health, supporting brain function, and reducing inflammation throughout the body. While fatty fish like salmon are often touted as the best sources of omega-3s, Did you know that chia seeds are also a fantastic plant-based source of these essential fats? Chia seeds are particularly rich in alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, a type of omega-3 that our bodies can convert into other essential omega-3s such as EPA and DHA. EPA and DHA are crucial for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease, and supporting optimal brain function. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is like giving your heart and brain a nutritional boost, helping them function at their best. And since our bodies cannot produce omega-3s on their own, it's essential to obtain them through our diet. Sustained energy for an active lifestyle. Looking for a natural way to boost your energy levels and power through your workouts? Look no further than chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of sustained energy thanks to their unique combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. As we've discussed, fiber slows down the digestion process, providing a steady release of energy rather than a quick sugar rush and crash. Protein helps build and repair tissues, while healthy fats provide a concentrated source of fuel for our bodies. This trifecta of nutrients makes chia seeds an ideal addition to your pre-workout routine. By blending them into our ultimate smoothie, you'll be providing your body with the sustained energy it needs to power through even the toughest workouts. And because they are so easily digested, you won't feel weighed down or bloated, allowing you to perform at your best. There you have it, the ultimate avocado banana lemon chia smoothie, a symphony of flavors and a nutritional powerhouse all in one glass. We've explored the incredible benefits of each ingredient, from the healthy fats and fiber in avocados to the potassium boost and natural sweetness of bananas. We've delved into the digestive magic of lemon and its vitamin C prowess, and we've uncovered the ancient secrets of chia seeds, those tiny titans of energy and nutrition. But the true magic of this smoothie lies in the synergy of these ingredients, the way they come together to create something truly extraordinary. The creamy avocado blends harmoniously with the sweet banana, the tangy lemon cuts through the richness, and the chia seeds add a delightful texture and a nutritional punch. It's more than just a drink. It's a commitment to nourishing your body from the inside out. It's a celebration of flavor and health, a testament to the fact that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. So what are you waiting for? Dust off your blender, grab your favorite ingredients, and get ready to experience the ultimate avocado banana lemon chia smoothie for yourself. Trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you. This smoothie is incredibly easy to make. Simply combine all the ingredients in a blender and whiz until smooth and creamy. You can adjust the quantities to your liking, adding more or less liquid depending on your desired consistency. Feel free to experiment with different variations, adding a handful of spinach for an extra boost of greens or a dollop of nut butter for added creaminess and healthy fats. The beauty of this smoothie is its versatility. Enjoy it for breakfast, as a post-workout snack, or as a healthy and refreshing treat any time of day. Once you experience the incredible flavors and the energy boost it provides, you'll want to make it a part of your daily routine. Remember, transforming your health isn't about making drastic, unsustainable changes. It's about taking small, manageable steps each day that, over time, can lead to significant results. This smoothie is a perfect example of that philosophy. By incorporating this nutrient-rich drink into your diet, you're making a conscious choice to nourish your body with the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it needs to thrive. And as you begin to feel the positive effects, increased energy, improved digestion, glowing skin, you'll be motivated to make even more healthy choices. Remember, health is a journey, not a destination. It's about making sustainable changes that you can stick with for the long haul. So go ahead, take that first step towards a healthier, happier you. Embrace the power of the ultimate avocado banana lemon chia smoothie and discover how a simple blend of ingredients can transform your health and well-being. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Every healthy choice you make, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. So raise a glass to your health and let's embark on this journey together, one delicious sip at a time. Thanks for watching. Until next time, subscribe for more health and wellness tips.